Here's how to send brand guidelines to your clients. So we're going to be doing this in Adobe Illustrator using the Akrivi Guideit plugin. You also want to make sure you have Google Drive or Dropbox installed on your computer. So here you can see I have Akrivi Guideit and I have my logo that I'm about to generate the brand guidelines for. So I'm just going to click generate. And now the brand guidelines has been generated. By default, Guideit saves your brand guidelines on the desktop. But instead of that, what we want to do is make sure to save it in our Google Drive or Dropbox location. So we're going to go File and Save As. And then I'm going to choose a Google Drive location for this example. And I want to choose this folder that I've created in Google Drive. So I'm going to select this and I'm just going to save it in here. So now I've got that saved. You can see that the Google Drive is syncing, which is basically just saving the file in Google Drive. And now what I can do is just click the three dots and do open in web. And here you can see this is your brand guidelines that is online. And you can just simply share this with your client if you click share, or if you want to just copy the link. And of course, it's very likely your client's going to want changes, so you can just simply apply changes with one click. So after you import the new logo and the new color and primary and secondary colors, you can just hit apply changes. Once you hit apply changes, the brand guidelines will update. But now what you want to do is again overwrite and save where you have originally saved the document. I like to just do save as again and make sure that's selected. So I'm just going to click save. I know it's going to be overwritten, so I'm just going to click replace. And Google Drive will show you that it's being saved, and you can see it's now up to date. So I now want to go back to the brand guidelines online, hit refresh, and the brand guidelines has been updated, and your client will also see this latest version. If you want to speed up your brand identity workflow, Akrivi Studio lets you generate logo grids, bento grids, and full brand guidelines in seconds. You can start generating for free with a 3-day trial. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you want more videos on how to design professional brands 10 times faster, hit the subscribe button below.